So if you believe you can start making money without doing anything, you are in the wrong channel. You can skip this video. See you later, or maybe never. Goodbye, loser. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Because I believe only losers in 2021 believe they can start making money without doing anything. But if, in the other hand, you are one of those who want to build something, you want to start like a business, for example, or like specifically an online business, you are in the right channel, because I decided today to start a new series in which I will share all my experience across 5 years of doing online business or business online. And I will also share my mistakes, everything I learned. I will share, for example, what kind of business you can do for X and Y amounts of money, and what kind of business you can do if you like to do this and you don't like to do that. So you can expect more videos about that. Please subscribe, because that will help me big time. That can help me stay motivated to share those videos. So keep watching. Hello everyone, my name is Joe. Welcome to this YouTube channel, Joe Becoming a Millionaire, in which I share my journey with you to become financially free. If you are interested in topics such as money, books, mindset, success, don't forget to subscribe. Please, at the end of the video, don't like the video now. At the end of the video, when you watch it and you like it and you find it interesting or insightful, please put a like or smash the like button, as they like to say. And also, if you find it interesting or you just want to help me, share it with a friend, because that will help me big time. As I mentioned in the beginning of this video, today I start a new series in my YouTube channel about online businesses. Today I'm going to give you ideas for online businesses you can start with $500 or less. And I'm pretty sure if you go on YouTube, you're gonna find a lot of videos talking about these same business ideas, and they will tell you that you can start them with no money. They are lying to you, because they neglect one of the most important aspects of any business in the world, which is marketing. They don't add marketing to the budget of the business, which is completely wrong. So number one, and because I am doing it right now, it's going to be dropshipping. So I talked in one of my videos here, I'm not sure, about dropshipping. I shared one of my experience. I did dropshipping for like 2 months. I'm doing it right now. Here is my results. I know it's not a big deal, but as I said, I'm sharing with you my own experience. I'm not going to wait until like I'm making big numbers to start sharing with you videos to tell you at the end to come and buy my course or to come to my webinar or whatever. So if you are interested in knowing what is dropshipping, in this video I talked about it in detail. Number two, and it is like similar to dropshipping, which is a POD business. POD stands for print on demand, which means that you are going to some specific platforms, you are going to create like some designs, and you are going to ask the platform or the factory to print that design on like a t-shirt, wallet, bags. There are lots of types of things you can print on them, your designs, and then you can put them on your websites and start selling them. You can put them on a website, you can also put them like on eBay, Etsy, and whatever. But in general, this is the idea of this business plan. Number three is affiliate marketing. You can start an affiliate marketing business. Affiliate marketing is simple because you don't need like to deal with customers, you don't need to deal with support, because you are going to take like a product from a company and you will start promoting it and selling it. But once you sell it, the company will pay you like an amount or a commission of the price of the products. So here basically you are not dealing with suppliers, you are not dealing with support, you just have to create like a website or somewhere where people can lend to so that they can see the products and buy it. When they buy it, they are not buying it from you, they are buying it from the company, so the customer support is dealt by the other company. As an example, or the easiest example of this, is to start a YouTube channel in which you can, like, for example, talk about products or do products reviews. Then you can put links, affiliate links of Amazon products or associates Amazon products, and then once people buy from that link, you will get like a commission. So number 5, I let these two to the end of this list because they are the most complicated ones of the 5 in this list. This one is similar to dropshipping, but here you are going to build like an e-commerce brand. What does that mean? It means that you are going to buy stock of your products, like import it to your city or to your city, and then build a website and start selling it from your own warehouse. Finally, number 5, starting what we call an SMMA. This one stands for social media marketing agency. In brief, it means that people will pay you to manage their social media. You can of course do it online. You can like create like a landing page for your services and start promoting it online, but I prefer that you do it locally because of what is going on around the world. I mean, the pandemic, a lot of businesses are losing traffic or losing customers. So they need social media. They need social media to strengthen their brand. They need social media to bring more customers and to sell online, for example. So you can go around you in your local area and your city and pitch your services to small businesses. Of course, in some places it's going to be a no almost all the time, but what I suggest is that you start doing what we call free trials. You can start like telling people, I'm going to do it for free for 2 weeks, and then based on the results you can start paying me. So that is it for this video. I hope you like it. As I said, I am starting a new series in which I share everything about online businesses. I wanted to do this one in which I share ideas for you if you want to start one. In the next one I will go more in details about each one of those. So if you are interested in this kind of videos, please consider subscribing. That will help me big time, and see you next time. Whatever.